Welcome to the Soundtrap Studio. You're going to be choosing either music or podcast project. There's not much of a difference, so I'm going to choose music. The only difference is kind of the timeline. But we'll start off with choosing a loop. We have thousands of loops that you can choose from, and we've broken them down based on instrument and genre, and you can kind of look for everything. So I'm going to choose synth and maybe some hip hop. I'm going to scroll down, and it looks like I've already favorited one. So I'm going to add it to a track. You see it starts playing. I usually turn off the cycle bar. Great for if you want to repeat something over and over again, but not for this purpose. Now I'm going to add some drums. Now I'm going to hit this drums and machine, and we have lots of options. Some easier, some interactive. This is our patterns beat maker. I'm going to essentially draw dots and make kind of a pattern. We're adding kick, snare, and hi-hat, and I'm going to extend that to align it to my first loop. And it's sounding pretty good. I do want to do a little bit of fade out so that my vocals come in a little clearer. So I'm going to add a new track and hit voice and mic. And we have some pretty cool things. I'm going to hit the record button in a bit, but we also have vocal cleanup, perfect for podcasting, and vocal tuner, perfect for singing. Soundtrap is the best. I know you're gonna love it. I love it so much for creativity. Now you're going to do transcript, so you can transcribe the audio and turn it into text. This is perfect for podcasting and editing. So here's my transcript. It goes pretty quick. If you notice, Soundtrap is spelled soundtrack, so I'm going to press the E button and edit. There we go. And then I wrote, I love it so much for creativity. For grammatical sake, I want to get rid of that so much. So I just delete. And as you can see, it deletes the actual audio. Soundtrap is the best. I know you're gonna love it. I love much for creativity. You might want to edit it a bit finer, but this is good for this purpose. Now I want to invite a classmate. I can hit the invite button. I'm going to add my friend Brandy. And we're not in the same group. So the benefit of Soundtrap is the walled garden. You can only collaborate with people that your teachers join you in a group with. So I've invited my other friend, Leandro. There's so much that students can do in Soundtrap. This is just a few. We can get more advanced later, but I hope you enjoy it.